When it comes to posting on YouTube, one of the most challenging parts is coming up with the right title. And now YouTube has a feature where you can test multiple titles at one time. So let's jump in. So we're just in our YouTube Studio dashboard. We're going to click on our content here. And I'm just going to go to a video that I already have uploaded. And you'll see here where you add in your title, there's now an option down below here to A/B test the title. So if you click on that, it'll give you up to 3 boxes where you can add your title in. So let's say I want to do shifting focused and sharing with no strings attached. And also let's try give away your knowledge for free. And what this does is when you post your video, YouTube will split your potential audience and show some of them one title option, shows the other group the other title option. Then it collects the data to see which ones get a bigger click-through rate, but also it'll check how much watch time and other things that the potential viewer does, and then grades all that, and it'll select a winner over a course of time. It could take up to 2 weeks. Sometimes it'll be a little sooner if there's a bigger difference, but it'll take a few days at the very least to get the results back from this. So a couple of best practices that I've found in trying this out. One is that I will only test 2 titles at a time. And the reason for this is unless you have a really huge audience and it's getting pushed out to hundreds of thousands of people, whenever you do this, it's going to split your audience. And so if you have 2 options, it's going to show 50% one thing, 50% the other title. And again, if you have a smaller audience, that's a smaller section of data that it's going to be able to collect. If you know anything about statistics, the more people that you try this out on, the more data you're going to get and the more information and the higher rate of success that you're going to have. Now, as you can see, this is going to be really helpful, but if you really want to grow on YouTube, our team has just dropped a free resource to help you boost your SEO on YouTube even further. Now, this playbook covers everything that you'll need to turn YouTube into a reliable discovery channel. You'll learn how to find the keywords that your audience is actually searching for, write titles that will rank, build thumbnails that communicate value in 2 seconds, and even run a diagnostic on your existing videos to grow your channel. And you can grab it completely free. Just click the link below. The other thing is I would really focus on testing very dynamically different titles. I wouldn't just try to change a word or two, because you may not get much of a difference in how people click on it, but test one concept and a totally different concept in the other title. Again, it should be accurate to what the video is, but you want to make sure that you're really getting a good test of which version is it going to work on. The other thing is you don't have to do this with every video. I typically will test titles out when I'm really kind of hung up on, do I want to focus on this element of the video, or do I think this title is going to get more people to click on it? And I let YouTube test it and see what comes about. You can test 3 titles at a time. You can certainly try that out and see if that works for you. But I found I get better results when I test out 2, because the other option is if YouTube doesn't get enough data back from the test, it'll just be inconclusive. It'll run for 2 weeks and it'll say it didn't get enough impressions, or one really didn't outweigh the other and it's pretty split. The other thing you'll see up here is you can also do a thumbnail test, or you can do title and thumbnail. And so you could have other thumbnails associated with the title. Again, I would be careful with this because it sort of creates more variables that people could be wanting to gravitate towards. I typically will go, hey, I'm going to test the title. I know which title I want to use. Now I'm going to test the thumbnail, or vice versa. But again, totally up to you how you want to use this tool, but those are some of the best practices that I've found. So we'll go back to title only. Once you have your titles in there, then all you need to do is set test. You can see you have both options that are up here. And once your video goes live, it'll start testing that. And once it's complete, you'll see it'll pop up with A/B test complete. And when you click on that, it'll bring it up here. And you can see you could go to view test report. And this is what it looks like when, see, I tested out 3 different title options, all very different, but there was not enough impressions to declare a true winner. So that means I need to run this test again and see if I can get more clicks or more data to get this presented. This is also a newer channel, not a lot of viewers on this as it is. So if you do have a winner, you'll have the percentage over here that'll indicate how many people have clicked on that and which one works better than the other. But that's it. This is a great tool that now YouTube has incorporated into their YouTube Studio. So try it out, play around with it. It's still fairly new, so they're still making some changes to how it works, but it's a really powerful tool to see which title is really going to work for your audience. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.